position method. It is completely different example from previous example. Why it is a different? Now you can see while solving an example. Okay, so already I have told you what is the first position method. Okay, we determine an equation of line passing through the point A f of A and B f of B to reach the point where the curve cut an x-axis. So here we can write our equation in the form of f of x is equal to x minus tan x. Now to determine an interval containing root, first we put here x is equal to 0 and f of 0 is what? 0 minus tan 0 is equal to 0. So if you observe, 0 is a root of an given equation because here we directly obtain 0. But since we want to apply first position method, we cannot write directly that 0 is a root of an this given equation. For that, because a given equation may have infinitely many roots. For example, if you consider the equation x is equal to sin x, then this graph has infinitely many points in the interval 0 to infinity because it cut here at this point. Okay, so or if you consider any other different curve, suppose if you consider this curve, okay, parabola, then it cut x-axis at two different points, and therefore this is it has two different roots. So similarly, this equation has infinitely many roots. We want to determine a second root or different root other than 0. Okay, so for that find f of 1. What is f of 1? Use your calci, but do remember your calci must be in radian. So 1 minus tan 1 is equal to 1 minus tan 1 minus 0.5574. And what is f of 2? 2 minus tan 2. So it is equal to 2 minus tan 2 is what? 4.1850. So if you observe f of 1 and into f of 2 is less than 0, and therefore the second root lies in the interval 1 to 2. Next, if you put x is equal to 3, 4, 5, again you will get one more root, okay, containing an interval. But since we want to determine at least one root, so here we are going to take an interval 1 to 2. So what is our next step? Since we want to apply an first position formula, here we can write a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, f of a already we have determined minus 0.5574, and f of b is equal to 4.1850, and therefore c is equal to a f of b minus b f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. So c is equal to a f of b So cross multiplication. So it is what? 4.1850 minus b f of a. Minus become plus 2 times this. So 0.5574 multiplied by multiply by 2. So you will get 1.1148. Next, this whole divided by f of b minus f of b. So 4.1850 minus plus 0.5574. So if you divide this, you can use your bracket 4.1850 plus 1.1148, this whole divided by 4.1850 plus 0.5574. So it is equal to 1.1148. This is what? 4.1850 plus 1.1148 divided by 4.180 plus 0.5574 1.1187, correction, 87. Okay, so now next we want to check whether C is our given root. When we can say C is our root, if your f of x is equal to 0 or is correct up to 3 decimal places, that is if you obtain 0.000, or what is second step, if your previous two roots are correct up to 3 decimal places. But since there are only one root, find the sign of f of c. So f of c is equal to what? F of c is equal to 1.1187 minus tan of 1.1187. So to solve this, you will get 1.1187 minus tan of 1.1187. So it is equal to minus 0.9404. So it is less than 0. Since f of c is less than 0, what is the previous positive number? Previous positive from this 1 and 2, f of 1 is what? Negative, and f of 2 is positive. Since this is negative, f of 2 is positive, so our root lie between, since f of 2 into f of c. C is what? F of 1.1187 is less than 0, and therefore our root lie in the interval 1.1187 and 2. So this is what step number 2. Next step number 3. In third number step, here a is equal to 1.1187 and b is equal to 2. So what is f of a? F of a is equal to, f of a is what? Minus 0.9404, and f of b is what? Already we have determined 4.1850. We have determined this value in a previous step, in step number first. Okay. So next, find c. C is equal to what? A f of b. A f of b minus b f of a. So 1.1187 multiplied by 4.1850, 4.6818. Okay, a f of b minus plus b f of a. 2 into 0.9404. Because of minus sign, minus become plus. 1.8808 is whole divided by f of b minus f of a. 4.1850 plus 0.9404, and therefore c is equal to, you can use the bracket to determine the value, 4.6818 plus 1.8808, this whole divided by denominator 4.1850 plus 0.9404. This is what? 1.2749. Now if you observe again, if you observe these previous two values, successive values of c, they are not correct up to 1 decimal places. Okay, so again we want to repeat the procedure. So again, find the value of f of c. So what is f of c? Is equal to f of 1.2749 is equal to 1.2749 minus tan of 1.2749. So if you solve this, you will get 1.2749 minus tan of 1.2749 is equal to minus 2.0054. Okay, so it is less than 0. Again, so what is previous positive? previous positive is what? F of 2. So our root lie between f of 1.2749 is into f of 2 is less than 0, and therefore our root lie in the interval 1.2749 and 2. Our new root, what is new interval? Original interval is 1, 2. After that, new interval is what? 1.1187 to 2, and now our new interval is what? 1.2749 2. So every time you observe, our interval length is getting decreasing. Okay, is decreasing. So now, so again here we can say A is 1.2749, B is what? 2, f of A is what? Here we have determined minus 2.0054, and f of B is what? F of B is 4.1850. So now next, find the value of C. So we know the formula for C. C is what? A f of B minus B f of A divided by f of B minus f of A. So 1.2749 into 4.1850, 5.33, 5.3354 plus A f of B minus plus B f of A 2.0054 into 2. So it is 4.0108 divided by f of B minus f of A. So 4.1850 plus 2.0054. So if you add and divide this, you will get 5.3354 plus 4.0108, this whole divided by 4.1850 plus 2.0054, you will get 1.5098. So again if you observe, these two roots are not even correct up to 1 decimal basis, because f of C is what? 1.2749 and new C is what? 1.5098. So it divergence is very slow. Divergent is very slow. So next, try to evaluate this example by the next step within 5 to 6, 7, or maybe you require more than 10 steps to reach to solve or to get an approximate root. Instead of that, if you use your Newton-Raphson method, you will get the root within a 3 to 4 steps. Okay. So we want to stop here today. Or if you apply the Newton-Raphson method, what is the Newton-Raphson method to get root of this equation? Here f of x is what? X tan x. Sorry, x minus tan x. So what is f dash x? F dash x is what? 1 minus sec square x. Okay. So what is our x0? Select any x0 belongs to 1 to 2. So if you select x0 is what? 1.5. If you select x0 is 1.5, what is f of what is x1? x1 is what? x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. So it is equal to 1.5 minus f of x0. So 1.5 minus tan of 1.5 divided by 1 minus sec 1.5 square. So if you solve this, you will get the value of x1. Why I am going to solve this example by using a Newton-Raphson method? Because rate of convergence in false position method is very slow, or it is linear. Okay, it is linear. So you may require here 10 to 12 steps. Okay, so instead of that, I am going to solve this example by using Newton-Raphson method. So if you solve here x1, you will get 1.5 minus 1.5 minus tan of 1.5. So it is what? Minus 12 minus 12.6014 and 1 minus 199.8500. Okay, so if you solve this, you will get x1 is equal to what? 1.5. This is 3 times minus sign. This 2 times and again minus. So it is what? 12.6014 divided by 1 minus. So this is minus minus become plus. This minus minus and one more minus sign. So this is what? 198.8500. So it is what? 0.0633. So x1 is equal to 1.5 minus 0.0633. So it is what? 1.4367. So this is what? x1. Now next, if you find x2 by using Newton Raphson method, x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. So this is equal to x2 is equal to 1.4367 minus f of x1. So f of 1.4367 divided by f dash of 1.4367. So this is equal to x2 is equal to 1.4367 minus 1.4367 minus tan of 1.4367. This whole divided by 1 minus sec of 1.4367 bracket square. Okay, so if you simplify this, 1.4367 minus tan of 1.4367, you will get minus 5.9759. This whole divided by 8, sorry. This whole divided by 1 minus, now 1 divided by cos of 1.4367 is equal to, and its square, 54.9462. One minute just. Okay, so now it is equal to 1.4367 minus 3 times minus sign. So again minus 5.9758 divided by 54.9462. Okay, so if you divide 5.9758 by 54.9462, you will get 0.10. So x2 is equal to 1.4367 minus 0.10886. So x2 is equal to 1.4367 minus 0.1086. So this is what 1.3281. This is what x2. Now if you find the x3, x3 is equal to what? 1.32181 minus 1.3281 minus tan of 1.3281 is whole divided by 1 minus sec of 1.3281 bracket square. So if you simplify this, 1.3281 minus tan of 1.3281 is equal to minus 2.7111 divided by 1.3281 x square is 17.3149. So if you divide this again 3 times minus sign, so 1.3281 minus 2.7111 divided by 16.3149 is equal to 0.1661. This is what 1.3281 minus 0.1661 is equal to 1.162. Okay, so next find the value of x4 and you will continue this process. You will get your root of an equation correct up to